Okay, so what's up, guys? We are trading following and DPO, and so we call that it's a DTrend price oscillator. So it's something an opposite size of trends. And then we also look onto our trend as well. Is we are looking at graph Heikin-Ashi. So Heikin-Ashi is something to tell us about the trend line, and the DPO is tell us something about the opposite trend line. So then the exit, the entry, we will use Euro USD Japan. Right here, it's compare side by side. We put it into 5 seconds. So 5 second Euro US Japan here, so that we can get much more precise entry on this one. And we are learning on the US Japan with the trend reversal pattern of the Heikin-Ashi line. This is a Heikin-Ashi chart. The Heikin-Ashi chart is something to tell us, once the colors is changed, so it means the trend is changing. And the DPO also telling that if this trend about to change, this should be above 0. So DPO, I will set it into 10 periods, so they will calculate every 10 candle. The baseline, it should be below 0. You can't put it more, but 0 is the baseline. That to tell you that the trend is confirmed of changing. So now we are entry at this at the 5 seconds, because 5 seconds is much precise on the entry point. So we're looking at both. So we will wait for the D-trend to change. So when the trend is changed, then we can entry. Okay, let's look on to our 5 second here. So entry on the 5 second candlestick is much precise, better than 1 minute candlestick. Okay, let's learn with my method right here, if you can trade better. So we see that the DPO is curved down, and the volume in each of this bar that are trading on the bull also falling down. So, and also it's come close to this resistance line. So now after 5 minutes, it's really strong shot falling. So we see that the volume of the bullish is really like nothing there. So they continue to drop a lot here. So it's really like something that should be much falling into this trend. Okay, we'll see. When we are trading, we're trading on this 5 second candles, because you can see the picture in detail on 5 seconds. How possible that the price are going to reverse. Okay, now we got one here. We look, how you can enter the price on your 5 second here. You look into this pattern of the candle and the power of the rejection, how is that possible going to push the price backward to be a reversal. And you also learn about your Heikin-Ashi, that it's all about this trend reversal changing. You can see this 5 second continuing to going up a little, but the possible way to trade should be maybe around there. This is where you can entry your okay, and it's coming up there and then back there. Okay, let's start one here, and because the price it's look like it's not able to reverse this trend just yet. And another one we should enter also is this line right on top right there. That also the good entries too. The good one to start with, this one too. The DPO is still below. We see that it's a little curve up right there. So if this equal, so we break even, we don't lose. Okay, so seems like it's more percent onto the fall, but I think the entry should be on top here. That's the best entry. So for me, I will wait for this to up a little and then I'll go on to fall. I believe that the price should be like fall a little more. Yep, around here is a good one, because it seems like the DPO is should back into the red zone. Okay, hold on for another couple seconds. Awesome, so good one here, and now it's pressure onto more onto bearish. So it's too far away right now, so we're not going to you know, when you go into 5 second candle, I think it's much clearly you can see that which are, you know, the strong support and resistance, because it show you that each of these run flat, no volume at what point, you know, the volume getting to be so weak at what point. If you want to go on to bullish, I think the best way should be around this area. If this price is not able to break even lower, so let's see this one coming, it will come to like couple more, I hope. So it seems like this can be changed, because the DPO just waiting for the opportunity to cross the zero line here. So when you see the DPO of the 1 minute candle here trying to cross the zero line, so it's also tell us that the price it's about to get reversal. But you know, the best entry I should go to is around this line right here, because if I'm going on that top here, it's maybe it's too much of the risky on that, because I want to see this one able to fall and then reject back. So we can see that the price starting like moving up and down around this area, but the DPO give us the signal of the reversal already. So I just wait for my trigger is to wait for this price to drop around this area, and then you can secure your profit Yes, and then it will come back. In 5 seconds, you can see a very steady flat support and flat resistance. It can be something you can use to indicate in the price reversal. Okay, so if the price is fall, so the DPO will not crossing this zero line, but if the price is hitting up top, so the DPO will starting to cross this zero line. Yes, so it's going to cross this zero line very soon. So I'm very tricky here too. You see, when you wait for the right entry, then it can secure your winning. But if you get into the wrong entry, and you will end up, missing the price, the winning chance. So that is really important. So guys, put it into a very good consideration around this also. It can help you to win. Actually, I don't win much at this area, just going up. Now this one going to break, up, because I put it into this 5 second, so I can see it very clearly, which the price that you can see strong support or strong resistance. So now it's already break our support is, so it's really looking that the price is about to moving downward right here. So the DPO is curving back down now because the price is dropping so big right there. Okay, so that's it, guys. Just to share with you about a small thing on how to apply the DeTrend price oscillator onto your Heikin-Ashi chart, because these two are something telling on a different way in trading. So the DPO is telling about the DeTrend when the price is about to reverse, not going to be the same as the trends before. It's called DeTrend. And then the Heikin-Ashi chart also telling you that every time the colors is changed, so it means that the price or the trend is also about to change as well. So when you see this price about to change and the trend is about to change, then you look into your 5 seconds entry, because put your graph into 5 seconds for the entry. You can read clearly for the support and resistance in every second of the price action here. You can see this is strong support, that strong resistance. The strong resistance is something that it's quickly or immediately stopped and stay on that point, and there is no volume to move the price up or down. You can see this will flatten the candle. So every time you see this flatten of the candle, so it means that the power of the bull start to pause for a while and waiting for the volume to to come in to move the price upward. But once you don't see any signal of the volume present around up there, then you start to see sell volume jump in, and it's also tell us that it's where it can be very strong resistance as well. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. I recorded in February 8th in the morning, I think in the afternoon time, 12. Actually, we don't have a lot of currency to trade as yet. I'm trading on binary. Actually, in the YouTube will be more, but it's only 87% or 88% different. So I choose to trade on binary option, because trading on this flat support and resistance in binary option, when there is no result happen at the same entry and exit, then you will recover your money back. But if your entry at digital, so at the same entry and exit, so you will lose your money. So it's the best way to trade on this kind of market with the binary option, because in binary option, when you got entry and exit at the same point at the expiration, then you got your money back, so you don't lose your money, $50 here. That is one of the example that I can show you here. Okay guys, so hope you have an amazing day and take care. Bye bye.